Okay, love bugs, you guys already know what time it is. I'm on the way out the door, headed to be a dance mom. The girls have their long day of dance today, and so I am in for a treat of lots of work from the car. But before I go, I wanted to go ahead and do a hair tutorial because sometimes taking a little bit of a moment just to, you know, do something nice for myself, get myself together, definitely elevates how productive I am throughout the day, and it also is just a mood elevating type of situation. So today I've teamed up with MYFIRSTWIG. They sent me over this beautiful layered cut 10x6 lace wig. Now yes, I said 10x6, so it's like a closure in the sense of it has that super simple easy closure fit, but it also has the vibe of a frontal. So you have a super large HD closure that's gonna fit like a dream and give you the comfort, but it also gives you the vibe of a frontal, and you're able to part it any and every way you like, and again get the comfort of a closure wig. This one also happens to be a drawstring wig, and it did come pre-layered for a little bit of a vibe. This one here is perfect for every day, whether you are doing pictures, daily mom stuff, you're a younger woman or a older woman, no matter what the age is across the board. I feel like this is a universally, this is a perfect wig that you'll never regret. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, I have a direct link down below, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, love bugs, happy hump day to me, and happy whatever day in the world it is for you. I have a little bit of headache, so I feel like everything just feels wonky and off. I'm like a week into the carnivore diet, and I think today's just the day where it's kind of like catching up to me that I haven't had any real sugar. That's neither here nor there. Today I've teamed up with MYFIRSTWIG, and they sent me over a package, and of course we started off with our pop out. Maybe I should set this up. So this is the portable wig stand that they always send, and it comes in 3 pieces, 1, 2, and 3, and you literally just take it in. And just like that, you have a pop-out wig stand and you're good to go. And then for the start of the show, this is the packaging from MYFIRSTWIG, upside down, but you guys get the picture. I'll show you guys all of the goodies inside, but this is literally what you get straight out of the box. But let's get right into the video. So this here is the wig, and it comes in this beautiful packaging. You unzip it, and of course it has the MYFIRSTWIG's logo up top. The first thing you're greeted with is some goodies. You do get a pack of wig caps in there, and those are nice and brown. And then you get the specs on your wig. For mine, it is a silky, soft, and smooth 18-inch Indian origin natural hair average cap 10x6 glueless wig, 130% density, and she does have a 10 to 15 month lifespan. So when you take off the packaging, you guys can see here, silky straight, beautiful vibe. The side part is what is trending right now, so you guys can see when you look at the wig straight on, there is the parting on the side, and it is perfectly curved. So this one has a everything technology going. You get the pre-cut lace with a scallop cut, pre-bleached knots, and pre-plucked hairline. All of this is going to make it very simple, easy, and beginner friendly to install. When you flip your wig around, you'll see this is the inside construction of the cap. You do get a nice larger closure, so it's going to fit glueless as a closure, but it also gives you like that frontal vibe. And then from here, you do have 2 combs up at the sides, 1 on each side. In the center, you do have that adjustable and removable elastic band. Adjust it how you like, or remove it if you don't like it at all. And of course, in the nape, you do have 1 more comb, so 3 combs in total. And then you have the drawstring. So the drawstring is also something that is new and hot lately. I love this technology because it does give you the ability to pretty much adjust any wig, pretty much adjust your wig and make it one size fits all. So no matter what is going on, your wig will fit you perfectly. I love this. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and put our wig on and get started on the install. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like on straight away. Absolutely gorgeous. You can tell once we get her together, she is going to be a moment. You get the hairline, everything as I mentioned, so it's going to be an easy install. The perfect side parting straight on. Again, this is going to be very easy. Just let me do my quick 1 2. Also, I have not adjusted the drawstring, and you guys can see she lays flat, but she's not quite glueless yet. But let me show you how I'm going to get her glueless. Okay, so I pulled the hair up really quickly so you guys can see. You have your comb here, and you also have your adjustable drawstring, or just your drawstring. And you can pull on it as tight as you want. Use a stopper here to catch it wherever you want the tightness to be. So I'm gonna generously pull on mine, and this is how much I have left. And then from there I'm gonna just tuck it back in nice and super discreet. And then even better, I'm going to take this comb and I'm gonna apply it at the bottom, and just like that we're good to go. Okay, so I went ahead and took some edge control, this Black Panther one or whatever the brand is, and just pushed my edges back so that, you know, everything could be nice and clean and flawless. Now we could push the wig back a little bit, flip the cap back if you will. Get your blow dryer ready if you want to use a blow dryer. And I'm going to do a nice thin layer to keep it nice and glueless because there's no glue, but still melted and bonded down, if that makes sense. Okay, so this is the vibe, very much giving a full, beautiful, and flawless. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and do the dynamic duo. You can use mousse for this step, or you can use a little bit of wax. I'm gonna use mousse today only because this one here is a little bit more of a shorter, more natural 130% density cut, so I don't want to weigh it down too much. Now you guys know I don't have a problem with adding the mousse. Now you guys know I don't have an issue with adding the wax, even on a cut like this, but I am trying to be a little bit more conscious. Not everybody likes the wax stick, so I'm gonna use mousse today, and it definitely will cancel out frizz and make everything lay flat. And then you kind of just work it in. You can use a brush or a comb. Should you feel the need to alter the parting, you do have that option. For example, this one will work great as a center part. I think that center was a little bit off. If you can see, the center part will be good as well. And it's gonna look beautiful that way, but I do want to keep it as a side part as it is designed. Now I'm deciding if I want to do some baby hair. I kind of want to do edges because I kind of want this to go backward, but I'm trying to see if that even makes sense. So let's go ahead while the hairline, where the flat iron heats up, let's go ahead and do some lace tint, and that's going to tell us if we want to do some micro baby hair or if we don't. And this one's in the shade 16. 16 has been that girl, and it's a little bit darker or deeper than my complexion. It's more of a contour shade, and I like this one in the hairline and sometimes in the parting. If it is too dark in the parting, then we will go up to a shade 15, which is like a shade lighter, and you guys can see how it'll help to camouflage the lace and just make it look a little bit more natural. And you can also set it for with a powder because this is a cream. Okay, so from here, let's go ahead and straighten it out. I'm still deciding if I want to push that back or bring it forward. Forward makes more sense. No baby hair also makes a lot of sense, so let's just see what we decide. Okay, so this is the vibe. I like it. It's very airy and, you know, like flowy. It's very much a 90s vibe, and you can choose to bring this closer to the front, or you can keep it like, I kind of like pushed it back and flip it forward. That way it can stay out of my face. I'm about to take the girls to dance. You know, I'm a dance mom, so I wanted it kind of out of my face so that I can drive and I have to pin it. But I love the way this one came out. Against my better judgment, I'm gonna add a little lip gloss. Whenever I do my makeup, I do a quick thick liner and no gloss. I've been loving this one from e.l.f. and it's the lip plumping gloss, and this one is Pink Cosmo. I think this is one of the brightest, lightest pinks that they have, but with a dark liner. This here is, I believe, NYX Espresso. It looks good. Like right now you guys can see it's like, ooh, but let it set for a second, let it cook for a second, and it's so fire. The hair is nice and airy, perfect layer. I don't even feel like I need to like customize it or add my own little splash. It's perfect as is. The only thing we forgot to do was tint the parting. This is the mineral powder from Movie Kisses in the shade 15. This one is closer to my complexion than the thing that we put on the hairline. That was a mineral in the shade 16, and it's a little bit deeper, so I went a little bit lighter, and then you can decide if that pops too much, you can go deeper, but for now I do like it. I just need to press it in, and again, you kind of gotta let things set. It is of course time to head to dance with the little ones. It's 3:08 and I want to be gone by 30, so I'm happy I have a cute little hairstyle going. Okay, so this is what we're working with. We have a little updo. You guys already know I'm headed to dance, so never really keep my hair down when I'm out and about with the kids, so I'm just gonna take it back like a ponytail. When it gets back there, I'm gonna kind of twist it, bring it up, use a larger clip. The larger the better. I just feel like everything stays. And you're like, get out the straight. Don't do this. Don't do that to your kids. And be quiet in the back seat. You do all in the mom things. It just stays. And just like that, we have a nice little updo. If it were time to go out for like date night or like a party or an event, this is also a perfect look. It may not look amazing back here. The best thing, or the most important thing, is just to make sure you're not showing any of your real hair in the back, and we're good to go. Okay, love bugs, before we head out, My First Wigs showed us a full demo of the new and improved 10x6 drawstring cap. This is what it looks like. You can see you can drawstring it super snug, and this is what it looks like on, super flat and flush. There's even a mock-up of what the hairline design is in the front. On the side, you have that C-shaped design, which is going to make it super flat, and then the seamless drawstring in the back. And that is pretty much it, love bugs. Before I let you go, let's go ahead and check out the packaging. As promised, this one did come from My First Wig, and this is the box. I already showed you guys the wig stand, which is portable. You can pop it in, pop it out. It's 3 simple pieces. Very nice and easy to have something to, you know, a home for your wig to live on, like at night or during the transitions. This was the sleeve that the wig came in. Nice and classy. I showed you guys we got the info card. We also got a pack of brown wig caps. They also included this here, which is a nice melt belt, super thick. Then here we got a couple more items. This here is the reusable My First Wigs pouch. It's double-sided with their logo. And when you open it up, it does have 2 dolphin clips inside. And then we also got a rat tail comb, and this one does say My First Wig on it. And we got this cap. I showed you guys this in the beginning of the video already, but this is what it looks like straight out. And this one shows you the 10x6 lace and how beautiful it is. It's giving frontal vibes, but it definitely fits glueless like a closure. Absolutely awesome. And that is pretty much it, love bugs. I absolutely love this one. This is that one size fits all wig for me, where it is going to work for everybody. I feel like if you are a beginner and you don't want to go too heavy with your wig, or your first wig, this is the first or the best starter wig. If you're a woman of age or even of youth, this is a perfect starter wig, because, you know, the older women may not want to wear the thick and va-va-voom Beyonce wig. If you are a younger girl and you're not wanting to just move too fast, this is perfect. And even for me as a everyday mom, this is one that fits perfectly into my collection, because I am able to, you know, just look a little bit more normal. A lot of the times I am at school, I'm at basketball games and dance events, or even just going to dance class and basketball class. You'll never regret your look with this wig. So I'll have the link and all of the details down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.